Hey, Sheldon McLeod, eat your heart out, buddy. Pictou County Sam's Pizza. Cooked right in my yard. Huh? Check that out. What the heck is that?
Welcome.
What the heck going on?
Well, you're a Pictou County guy, and I wanted to personally deliver you a combination pizza.
Oh my God, not the real deal.
The real deal from Pictou County to Sam's. And you are an amazing guy, and you did a great review. I just want you to be the first guy to taste Sam's Pizza, especially for you.
This is like special delivery.
This is VIP treatment. Nobody else in the world gets this.
Why is it that I actually smell pizza though?
Because I'm cooking it right here.
No way.
Cooking it outside here. I have another barbecue here. We have all kinds of pizzas ready for you here as well.
County
Stay
pizza
6
eating
feet away,
pants.
though.
I stayed away from everything. I'll give you a good 8 feet.
Copy that.
Come smell this, Tracy.
We had a little bit of ham too, so we
Okay.
I put that on the pineapple and then on the pepperoni one. So
Okay.
customization one for your mom.
And also cooked in the driveway, baby.
I know.
Right in your own driveway.
Tailgate
But,
party.
It's a serious
Tailgate
joke.
Pictou County Pizza party. Less than 5 people. 6 feet away.
6 feet away.
Amazing.
I'm staying 12. That's good. We got Zoom, baby. We can Zoom. Woo! Oh my goodness. Hope the neighbors don't
Let us
come
smell.
over.
6 feet away.
Oh. There you go, baby. East Coast Farms. Delivery. Buy your pizza and cook it yourself, man. Let's go, buddy.
All right. Tastes good.
Mmm. Oh man, this is the bomb. Talk about outside too.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Tastes better when you're outside.
Oh baby. Sam's Pizza, home delivery. Thank you, East Coast Farms.
East Coast
Woo!
Farms.
Hey baby.
Kevin, you're a great Pictou County guy. Love you, buddy.
Sam's Pizza, baby, all the way from Pictou County. Cooked right in my yard. Huh? Check that out.